So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have this series like 1 minus 3x plus 5x square minus 7x cube up to infinity, and the mod x value is lying between 0 to 1. Then we have to find out the sum of this series. So let's see how we can solve this. So I denote the sum of series by s of infinity because this is an infinite series. So S infinity denote the sum of the given infinite series, and I write S infinity is equal to 1 minus 3x plus 5x square minus 7x cube up to infinity. So I also write in this way like 1 plus 3 times minus x plus 5 times this x square I can write like minus of x whole square, and here it is plus 7 times minus of x whole cube. So in this way I can write this also. This and this are same. So you can easily see that this and these are same. And now you can see this is an arithmetic geometric progression series. Like these terms like 1, 3, 5, 7. So these are the terms of the arithmetic progression, and minus x whole square minus x whole cube, these are the term of geometric progression. So this is an AGP series where the common ratio is, you can say, it is minus x, the common ratio, and in the problem it is given that mod of x is lying between 0 to 1, so common ratio is lying between 0 to 1, and this is an AGP whose common ratio is lying between 0 to 1. So the sum of this series is a standard formula, like it is a divided by 1 minus r plus dr divided by 1 minus r whole square, where a is the first term of the arithmetic progression series, d is the uh, common difference, and r is the common ratio of the geometric progression series, and in this way we can find the sum of this infinite series. So let's see in the problem, we have like 1, 3, 5, 7 terms of AGP. So the first term is 1. D we can say it is equal to 2. Common difference is 2. And the common ratio is minus x. So let's put in that formula a divided by 1 minus r plus dr divided by 1 minus r whole square. So if you put a is equal to 1 and here it is 1, minus of minus x become plus x, and here d is equal to 2 and r is equal to minus x, and here it will become 1 minus of minus x, which is 1 plus x whole square. So it will become like 1 divided by 1 plus x, and it is minus x minus of 2x divided by 1 plus x whole square. So uh, this will, after simplifying, it will become like this: 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole square, and this is the sum of this infinite series. In this way we can solve this.